like gas on the stomach of a person that's lactose intolerant and done messed up and drunk some whole milk. But pain with pain. Too many people around and not a baby to be found. Gotta blame it on somebody.
You guys, it's Saturday and we're not at the kitchen table. We are on the road.
Guess where we going?
Guess where we going? Y'all already know.
Y'all already know. Dude number 2 in the crisis.
Headed to the Queen City. For our dude number 2. So he had some complications earlier this week with his tire. Ended up with a flat tire, and I'm so glad Dad had gone over with him how to change a tire.
I was proud of that boy. He changed his tire, but the problem was the spare tire was flat.
Yeah.
I mean, he did his job. It ain't his fault.
And then the convenience and the power of FaceTime. So us being able to kind of watch him, but watch him as he's changing the tire. And then one of his teammates, his brothers on the team, showed up to help him and assist him. JD, you guys met JD during Thanksgiving.
Was it JD? I thought it was Gavin.
No, I thought it was JD.
No, it was Gavin.
No, JD.
Was it JD?
Yeah.
Whatever.
JD. Yeah. He came and spent Thanksgiving with us. He's actually been here a couple of times. So anyway, making great college memories. College memories. So we should be there shortly. Had to bring, now although dude number 2 has his vehicle and can go to the store whenever he knows we're coming. Mama, can you bring me this? Oh yeah, Ma. Oh yeah, Ma. I need this right here.
And bring some money with you. I need some money. Although I got a card. That's whatever.
So another thing, y'all, I was up to baking a cake to bring. He says it's homecoming. So we also have a game today. I didn't realize colleges have homecomings that I guess they should or could, but they don't have a football team. So it's all about, well, not all about basketball, but they have other sports. But there's not a football team. So he says it's homecoming. So I'm hoping campus will be a little lit today, if you will. We'll see. But he mentioned something about me bringing a cake. So I was up this morning, y'all, early.
I was up too, guys.
A lemon cake.
Let me show you how this thing. Let me show you how this thing works. So I'm laying down asleep, maybe what, 2 in the morning. My wife wakes me up. I need some cake stuff. Okay, guys. So she tells me to go to the store.
You go embellish.
I'm not embellishing, Donna. Please let me tell you what I saw.
His tail was sleeping 2 a.m.
Okay, so I go, guys, and I go get, you want to run in, run out. Sometimes you looking like you don't being jumped on by a bunch of cats. So I run into the store.
Because I needed some powdered sugar.
She needed some powdered sugar. So I go into the store to get the powdered sugar. Now, a couple of more things you want to see. Want to grab ice cream, candy, some, simple stuff. Okay, so I go in.
Ice cream and candy.
Well, whatever. But so this young lady looks at me and she says, I know you. Whoa, wait a minute. I ain't got no baby mamas. Can't be me.
Not no baby
So she said, no, I don't sing you somewhere. So the first place I think is, where do I see most people? Church. So I'm thinking, she said, no, I don't saw you on TV. Boy, I ain't on TV.
Somebody looked at you on TV other than Grandma Mary.
So we're sitting, and so I ran into a subscriber that she told me she watches the channel. She watches us all the time. Her name was Mary. What was Mary's last name?
Mary Davis.
Mary Davis. Yes, so we giving a shout out to Mary. I got my hair fixed. I look like something now. So
nobody care. I keep telling you that.
I'm just saying, though, you should have saw when she looked at me. She looked at me like,
And what they care about is I'm putting lotion on my hands. Because see, y'all ain't talking about my hands.
Your hands.
Y'all, look, for those of you who watched our last video at the kitchen table, what do you notice about our hands?
We got on rings, guys. We have on rings.
What do you notice? Because we're out and about.
It ain't, well, I don't have on a good ring. I got on a ring that you can go about day to day doing things with.
And baby, it don't matter. Ring or no ring, honey, you was mine.
That's right, girl. Let me
I
tell
got you, baby.
I told you before, and I'm gonna tell you again before all of these people. If you ever leave me, I'm going with you. Woo! That's my baby.
But look, let's get on to going on down this road so we can see our dude number 2. So we've been to the campus. We grabbed the tire really quick and then brought it over here to Discount Tire because we're trying to hurry up and trying to stay facing the sun. We're trying to get everything taken care of before the game starts. So we'll check back in with you guys once we get on campus.
But fam, wouldn't you know it? Out of the tires that was warranty, he flattened the one that wasn't.
That's what it was. Oh well. Okay, so anywho, this is the stuff that he needed us to bring him. Alright, well he needed some bread. And something fell over on it. He got it a little smushed. It wasn't smushed when I first put it in here. Let me put Daddy's clippers in here and sit it on top of that. That'll help it from getting smushed anymore. Okay. He needed some hand soap. And I just brought this extra little dial bottle just in case he threw the other one away. Some toothpaste. He loves his Irish Spring body wash. And I had already bought these from Walmart. I can't remember how much they were, but they were more than these because these were on sale at CVS. I think I cleared the shelf because the way he uses this stuff. So I probably got about 8 bottles of this and, you know, left the rest of them at home. Some deodorant, some air freshener, and he needed some more cream. He needed a script refill for his cream that he uses for eczema, and then his shampoo and conditioner. So this is all the stuff that we had to bring. And then Daddy has the stool here loaded up. And like I say, this where the clippers are here because he has to kind of touch up his hair when we get back to campus before the game. Oh yeah, and here is the cake. Okay, so hopefully they'll be finished with the tires soon. We did ask them if they could kind of expedite it if possible so we can get back to the campus so he could be ready for, get everything we need to get done before the game starts. So what time is it now, babe? I think it's probably about 3 o'clock. Looks like here he comes with the tire. Yay! He did. Thank you for taking care of us.
Were we able to see what the other time?
Gooder.
It's only gonna get gooder.
Gooder and gooder.
Yeah.
Steven,
Yeah,
everybody looking at you.
Gooder and gooder.
Everybody looking at you, Steven.
My hair is really growing.
It is growing.
It's been a minute though.
Huh?
It's been a very long minute since I've seen them.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Oh, it is so pretty out here.
Let's see my shoes.
Yeah, you gotta get back. But you know what?
Wait a minute, baby. We got to show them the kicks.
She
We got to show them. Wait a minute. Y'all see the kicks?
This thing called designated
Wait a minute. I can't see. It's so bright out here. Wait a minute.
Yeah. You know what?
Is that it? I can't see. Can you see? Is that showing the kicks?
Yeah, you see. I'm not matching, but it's all good. I never match. It's all right.
I can't see because it's so bright out here. I hope that showed the kicks.
What his name is? But he, yeah, the Allstate guy.
And the game starts at
America
4?
except because it was so wide.
Okay,
warranty,
good time.
America accept.
Loud mouths. Loud. You want a time limit, Dad? Y'all, I had to get this sound.
Legendary. You know what that is?
Back to the future. Clock tower.
Y'all know I had to get that sound. It never fails whenever we're here. That's our sound, y'all. Every time we are on campus, we experience the beautiful sound of the clock tower. So to all our new family members, that was the sound.
All right, good, good, good. Don't look at it. Look over. So
You looking good?
You don't want me to touch the side of it all?
No, he said you're done.
Just leave it like
No,
that?
no, you can touch it.
Touch it, but just
don't
leave
cut
it
my way
blended
down.
like I do.
Yeah.
Well, I think it looks good the way it is because he shaped it up.
It does, but
You don't need to cut it
I
off.
got it.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all, we bringing it in, bringing this haircut in. Who look like they might be mama?
You.
I'll take it. I will take it.
This is a beautiful day. God,
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in
You're
the
number one.
neighborhood.
for real.
Would you be, could you be, would you be my neighbor? Hi, neighbor. Y'all used to watch Mr. Rogers when y'all were growing up. Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood and Sesame Street. Y'all, that's when cartoons and stuff made sense. Because I tell you, a long, long time ago when my kids used to watch that old crazy cartoon called Cat Dog. I said, what's a cat dog? That's why these kids confused. Cat dog. Let's go there.
Ready to go?
Well, you guys, the game is over. Another win for the Queens Royals. Lord, the people's gonna call me on the duo. But now we're waiting so we can get his tire changed. So my dude number one can change his tire so we can go home. I'm coming over here to
Start at the bottom
supervise.
first.
That doesn't take long at all, does it?
Didn't take long at all. Alright, here you go. Start your bottom. Always that bottom. Right there. You're going to a snug. See, I tighten it up to the wheel and to the top. Always cross thread here. That's good.
Well, you guys, it's been a long day. Everybody trying to get in, get focused. So we getting ready to end the vlog. You got to get back with your team.
Yeah.
Are they still in the?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, sir.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. Appreciate it, Dad, for the time. Thank you
No
for getting
problem at all,
tired,
man.
Did you put that up? Okay. All right, baby. We love you.
Love you. See y'all.
Okie dokie.
All
All
right,
right,
thank
baby.
you.
You be
All right,
safe. You
dude.
lock your car back up.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Need to crank it up and let it run for a while. You ain't ready for how long?
I cranked it up yesterday.
Okay, good deal. You ready to roll then?
Okay.
All right.
Make sure he moved out of the way first. We love you, baby.
I love you too.
We'll let you know when we get home.
All right.
Okay. All right, you guys. Well, we're getting ready to get on, baby. Did you need to pull
I got
up
this
something?
thing.
You good?
You got this
We
thing.
need to get on the road, you guys. It's been a long day. It really has. Okay, y'all. So we getting ready to take it on back down the highway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the nosy. That's turn on the notification bell. And it'll shake. So you shake something.
Shake something. Just shake something.
We already look forward to you joining us again
Hit the nosy.
next time.
Bye.